In this video we will provide a step-by-step guide on how to submit your KYC. In the dashboard section, click on the Submit KYC button. Then enter your entity name or exchange name, and click on Next Step. Fill all the necessary details. Click on Next Step. Here you can view the CEO, or Managing Director information, and Compliance Officer information. Fill up the details, and click on Next Step. Here you have to provide broker corporate banking information. Select reference letters. Click on Next Step. This is the broker association information. Enter name and passport number for all the category. Click on Next Step. This is the disclosure page. Read and click all the checkboxes, then click on Submit. Here you will see Submission Successful message and your KYC submission is complete.